This is my air fryer. I was plugged in. No power. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, flip over. I'm gonna remove all these screws here and separate it. Okay, I loosened up all these screws. Not these two, you don't have to. And this should separate. Alright, underneath. And you put this tray in, because it's upside down, so I can show you. See this switch? There's a micro switch here, and it's supposed to push in like this. Sometimes these get kind of bent out of shape. It doesn't push all the way in. In my case, this micro switch gone bad, so I bought a new one online. It cost me $1.99 online. It looks a little different, but it doesn't matter, because what we care about is the actual shape that gets mounted here. So I'm going to have this clicking sound is not here on the bottom, original one. So I measure it with the ohm meter. No continuity here, so I know this switch is bad. I temporarily touched these two together. It came on, so I decided to replace that. I'm going to take that out, put new one on. So I cut this metal lever that was there because I don't want to make it too thick. I want to make sure it still clicks. So I got that off. I'm going to take this off, put it on here. I'm going to take that off, put it on here. So when you do this, it makes a contact. So I got these two contacts off. One goes here. Just stick this in. Okay. The other one obviously goes here. And you put the phone down so I can use two hands. Okay, I got these two back in. It doesn't matter which way it goes, it's just the contact on and off when you do this. So as long as these get connected, the unit should pop up. Let's see if it comes on.
My other car, I took it out. I got a new car when I reinstalled another car.
You take all the wires and everything out too?
Yeah, well, I ordered it from JBL. They sent them to me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I put it.
Alright,
You
so
got all the power wires
put this
and
power
No, he
back
said I
on.
needed he told me I needed a power gauge or something.
Okay.
I have the
It
original harness
beeps.
and I have the remote.
This upside down.
908
Power came on.
75 75.
How about that? And if I take this out, goes out.
say 75,
875
Back on.
7543.
Release. It works. All I needed was a micro switch, which is this one.
ESP50.
Let's try one more time.
No, I gotta
It
make
works.
Alright, so let me take the stuff.
Shuts off. Comes on.
You can leave it in the car.
Huh?
We'll take it out when we get inside.
Yeah, but it's I moved. There's only a couple of things I gotta